Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet two Tunisian double crochet stitches onto two vertical bars together. Okay, so I used this technique in my latest design, which is the Sienna Harvest Berry Shawl, and I used it on the edging and also within the stitch pattern. So as you can see, this is the texture that these stitches create, and it's very nice, light and lacy texture. So I decided to make a tutorial for you. So these stitches are worked over multiple of 2 + 1 stitches, so we need an odd number of stitches. So we are going to make a small swatch together. So we'll start with chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we are going to make our sample 9 stitches long. We are going to be picking up stitches in the back bump of our chain stitches. This is the foundation row, or the first row of your Tunisian crochet project. If you're not sure how to do this and you are a beginner, you can find my video on how to do this in the playlist. So we just need to check that we've got 9. Okay, we've got 9 loops on our hook. So we are going to be working standard return pass for this stitch pattern, which is chain 1 and yarn over and pull through 2 all the way back. Again, if you are complete beginner and this technique is new for you, you can find my video on the standard return pass in the playlist, and where I go over everything very slowly. Okay, so this stitch pattern is 2-row repeat. So we start with chain 1, which is not usually the way we start Tunisian crochet patterns. We do this because the double crochet stitches, or Tunisian double crochet stitches, are taller than the normal stitches. And if we didn't chain 1 at the beginning row would be shorter and the work would lean in one direction. So now we are going to be doing Tunisian double crochet stitches. Okay, so we need to yarn over. We insert the hook under 2 front vertical bars like so. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now we've got 2 loops on our hook, and we are going to repeat this again under the same 2 front vertical bars. So we yarn over, we set the hook under both of these front vertical bars, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we're going to go yarn over again, work under the next 2 vertical bars, yarn over, pull through 2. We've got 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we do this again, yarn over, work under the 2 vertical bars, yarn over, pull through 2. We've got 2 loops here, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, we work another pair of these stitches under the next 2 vertical bars, over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and we need to do another one like so, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now we are left with just 1 horizontal vertical bar. So we are just going to work 1 Tunisian double crochet into this stitch. So we yarn over, insert the hook from right to left under the front vertical bar, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, The last stitch is worked as the normal edge stitch, so we work under, we need to turn the fabric towards ourselves, and we insert the hook under both of these bars, the right and the left, yarn over and pull through. Okay, so this is the first row of the 2-row repeat. As you can see, this stitch pattern creates a little clusters at the base. Okay, so we work a standard return pass for this pattern. So we yarn over, pull through 1 or chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back to the beginning of our row. Okay, so this was row 1 of our repeat. Now we're going to work the second row. Again, we need to chain 1 because we work these tall stitches. And well, before we started working under 2 front vertical bars, now we are going to work 1 Tunisian double crochet into the first bar, yarn over, insert the hook under the front vertical bar, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we are going to be working the pairs of 2 Tunisian double crochet stitches into 2 bars all the way to the end. Okay, and this creates a staggered effect. So we yarn over, insert the hook under 2 front vertical bars, yarn over, pull through both of these, yarn over, pull through 2, and we do that, repeat that again, like so, over, pull through 2. Okay, and we repeat this pattern of working under 2 front vertical bars to the end. Okay, and we need one more here. And the edge stitch at the end. And we will work standard return pass. Okay, like so. Okay, so this creates a very nice decorative lacy stitch, which can be used for scarves, shawls, even garments. Okay, so as usual, please let me know what would you use this stitch for. If you've got any other suggestions, if you like this video, please let me down below by pressing the like comment. As usual, subscribe, share, and you can share this video with your other crochet friends, especially with the lovers of Tunisian crochet. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.